you're not anything in this world if you don't have good teachers. We have to recognize them. And I was fortunate enough to be a student of one of the most gracious ladies I've ever met. And that would be Mary Kavenapukui. When she opened up her mind to me, then it was a whole new world. I began to compose better. And you had Iolani Luahine, who's always been my friend, and Pilahi Paki, and my mentor, Erika Mai. These are the people who make who I am today. And all the kupunas before me that I play, they listen. And they remember, and they said, we taught you well. And so this song I dedicate to all my teachers who are not here. A song I wrote in 1974 while visiting my home island on Molokai. And I gazed up in the mountain covered by a white mist, and I could hear voices singing to me coming from that mist in the mountain. The white mist of Kamalo was like a woman who revealed her beauty to me. For as the mist parted, I could see 11 waterfalls cascading down the top of the mountain. And now, 2009, my son gives me a granddaughter. And he told me the story that when my granddaughter was born, in the early dawn, there was a light of sunlight that came into the delivery room and lit it up. And I said it was because our ancestors are bringing her soul to earth. And so today I named her Hinaea Kawahine Ilikea o Kalanikua Ka'a. Hina, the goddess of the moon, the fair-skinned woman of the highest heavens. And so the song I wrote back in 1974 became a living entity. The mist became a living person. And so her song will live forever. And when the hula students dance, they dance for her. My granddaughter, Michelle. Makikai oh no divai Wahine dilikea Dikapoli o Molokai no kaheke Nani vale no Nawai lele ruka O hina O ha O mopolo Nawai e kolu I kaulu behi behi O kamalo I kamali Makikai oh no divai Wahine dilikea Dikapoli o Molokai no kaheke Nanivaleno ka aina halava Ome ho'okipa kamalihi Aina uluvehi Ikanoe ahi ahi ualave mai Kamakani ho'olua Kalagu nu makikai Uhono iwan Wahine ilikea Hikaponi o molokai Nokaheke Nanivaleno ka aina halava Ome ho'okipa kamalihi Aina uluvehi Ikanoe ahi ahi ualave mai Kamakani ho'olua Kalagu nu makikai Uhono iwan Wahine ilikea Ikaponi o molokai Nokaheke
Yes, Reverend Dennis Kamakai. Wow.